Read me, with topic.
Concerns on mental health.
3, 2, 1, go.
Concerns on mental health. There are many concerns surrounding mental health, including issues related to access to care, stigma, and the prevalence of mental health conditions. Despite the growing recognition of the importance of mental health, many people still face barriers to accessing affordable and effective treatment. Stigma and discrimination surrounding mental health can also prevent individuals from seeking help or talking openly about their struggles. Additionally, mental health conditions like anxiety, depression, and post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, are increasingly common, particularly in the wake of global events like the COVID-19 pandemic. These conditions can have significant impacts on individuals' quality of life, work, and relationships. It's important to prioritize mental health and take steps to address these concerns, such as by seeking support from mental health professionals, educating oneself about mental health, and advocating for improved access to care and reduced stigma.